In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple user accounts in Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, in order to add the another user in your PC, you just need to hit right click on the start button, then go to settings, click on accounts, scroll a bit, then click on other users. Then you will find the option for add account. So from here we are going to add the another user, so just click on add account. So here you can enter the email address or phone number of the person whom you want to add, but in my case I don't have the person sign in information, so I'm just going to click here. After that this window will open, so here you can just enter the email address or create your account, but in my case I'm just going to add a user without a Microsoft account, so I just need to click here. Then here you will need to enter your username. So let's suppose I type here ABC just to show you, and in case if you want to add the password, just click here and enter the password which you want to set. So let me set my password. Then here Windows will ask you for some security questions which you can just go and select according to you. So in my case I'm just going to type here ABC just to show you. So once you do that, just click on next, and then you will see that the account is added in your PC. And if you click on this little arrow and click on change account type, you can just change the account type of the user. Like if you want to set it on administrator, you can just set that, but I just want to select this user as a standard user, so I'm just going to click on standard user, then click on OK. So now the question is how you can sign in with this account. So for that, just click on the start button, then click on your current account, and here you will see the account which we have created now. So once you click on that, you will see that the account is now logged in, and you can just enter the password and go ahead. But before that, let me show you. These are two accounts in our PC. The first one is the one which I have already created on this PC, and the second one is the one which we have created now. So let me type here the password of our new account. Once you do that, you will see that the Windows is now setting up, and here we just need to wait for some time until the setup is done. So you just need to do some things, just like here you just need to click on next and just accept it. So once you do that, you will see that the new user account is now setted. And if you want to go back to your old account, for that again hit on start button, then click on the account which we have created before, and here you will see the old account. So just we have to click here, and once you do that, now you will see this screen, and here we can just enter the password and get back to our old account. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can add multiple users in your Windows 11. Now if I was a big help, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.